Sri Krishna goes back to Karma Yoga. The subject from the previous chapter continues to explain the nature of work and three principles. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th English, Vaidika Vijnanam, a collection of spiritual and devotional literature in various Indian languages in Sanskrit. Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. To strengthen Arjuna's faith in the knowledge he is imparting, Sri Krishna reveals in Christian origin in chapter. He says, Arjuna, as you are my devotee and a dear friend, I am revealing the supreme science of yoga to you. Chapter and content. Jnana. Chapter 4. Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Atma Samayam Yoga. Jnana Vijnana Yoga. The personality of Godhead said, many, but both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot, O subduer of the enemy. Sri Krishna brings Arjuna to the understanding that sacrifice can take hundreds of forms, but when they are dedicated to God, they become means of purification of mind and senses and elevation. In this verse, he mentioned three such yajnas can be performed. Along the chanting Hare Krishna, following these principles from basis Krishna conscious practice. No eating meat, fish or eggs, killing animals destroy the quality of mercy. No gambling, truthfulness is destroyed by gambling. No use of intoxicant. No illicit sex.